One of the really unique elements of SailGP, each of the destinations that we go to, we deliver a purpose project, ultimately a piece of work that can help accelerate progress from a sustainability perspective.
So we had the team from SailGP, which has been a real privilege, and ITM come out to Rapaki and have a look at a restoration plan for the Ōmaru stream. We've done some restoration work below the main road here. We're doing some planting on either side of that and the creation of weirs and ponds to recreate a habitat, good for the wild native species.
What's been really beautiful to see here is this vision for the future where the water will be coming down and the plantings are going to create that natural filtration, which is going to stop sediment coming into the harbour, and ultimately for the future that means more kainoana and a more beautiful harbour than we've got today, which is pretty exciting.